Hey, this is Russ. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your oil one-handed.
This oil from me. This oil.
Yeah, that's oil, buddy.
The pump beneath the oil.
Hold the hood with my head, and then I'll run my hand across until where it hooks the hood prop and set it up there. Now I'm under the car, and I put the ratchet on the old drain plug, and it helps to have the 6-point socket so you can be tighter on the you can see the 6-point socket so you can be tighter on the plug. But basically break it loose, and then we drain the oil. Now that the oil's drained, I'll take the oil filter off. I got some oil filter pliers here. I'll loosen the oil filter and let it drain some of the oil off first before I go try to take it off. Alright, now I'm getting ready to put on the new oil filter.
Go down the over.
Yeah, we were putting on the oil filter. Alright, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. And I'm going to fill up the oil filter with oil first. I'm putting oil in the oil filter.
Oil filter?
That's right, oil filter. And I'll put dip my finger in the oil some and put a thin coat of oil around the seal on the oil filter.
Oil filter?
And the oil filter, that's right. Alright, so I got the oil plug hand tightened in, and now I'll put the ratchet on it, and then get it tight. Wipe off my little drop of oil, and that's it on the bottom side. Now we just got to put oil in it. Alright, so now that we got everything buttoned up on the bottom side, just gonna go ahead and put the oil in, and we'll be done. And so this is how you change the oil one-handed. Thanks.